the action that we witnessed on Dalal Street, an absolute roller coaster ride for the equity markets. After hitting fresh highs, we managed to hit the lowest level on the Nifty in 2013, cracking below that 5650 level in intraday trade. So we erased all of the intraday gains that we made, ending near the day's low. There was damage across the broader markets as well, in fact backed by very large volume activity. So a 1% cut coming in for the mid as well as the small cap index by the day's close. In terms of sectoral movers, well, it was carnage for rate sensitives once again. So real estate features as the top loser. You also had capital goods. But on the gaining side, it was technology and consumer durables which were up in the session. So big cuts coming in for the likes of a Reliance Infrastructure, aided by very strong volume activity. Once again, Jaiprakash Associates cracked 6.5%. Banks weren't spared, so Bank of Baroda down and out. And even Tata Power was in the limelight on the downside. Lots of mid-cap mayhem coming in, not just for some of the small cap stocks, but also good quality mid cap names. So take a look at an SKS Microfinance. Billcare shaved off close to 10%. Sun TV, perhaps all of the political mayhem playing out on that stock. IVRCL Infra as well as Delta Corp. So massive selling pressure coming in for all of those counters. Tire companies were in focus as most of them have cut their prices by close to 6% according to sources. So the likes of Apollo, SEAT as well as MRF have cut the prices in order to boost demand, and that will really clear their inventories and boost the replacement demand. Remember, most of these auto OEMs have cut production on account of lower demand. Some of the gaining counters then, Bharti Airtel, of course, was a star for the day. You had an ICICI Bank, which saw quite a bit of buying activity. Ultratech Cement as well as HDFC were some of the other top-notch gainers.